Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to be discussing about an update that Planet IX has given us. And in this update, they're talking about, let's talk about gas, fam, let's talk about gas. So it's going to be talking about gas fees and Planet IX and what they've done and what to look out for in the future. So let's get started. So in this update, they've mentioned that over the last couple of weeks and days, gas prices have increased and it makes transactions pretty pricey, very pricey. So they are trying to fix that and they are trying to take everyone's suggestions into consideration and feedback so that they can make the game better. And they are appreciating all of those feedbacks, thoughts, and suggestions. It makes them very happy that we are very committed to the game. So also they talk about stuff that they won't be doing. So they've mentioned that fixing gas issues have been prioritized for a while. They've been working on different bunch of solutions, but they pointed something out. They want to point something out, and that is what they won't be doing. So what they won't be doing, they're not gonna start their own chain and they're not gonna move the waste collection off chain. So let me just kind of explain more. So starting our own chain, they mean that they're gonna stay within the Polygon blockchain. So we've been using the Polygon network and we're gonna be continuing to using the Polygon. They're not gonna be starting their own chain. And also they're not gonna be moving the waste collection off chain. So collecting your waste will remain in the Polygon network. And they've been offered, a bunch of different solutions, but they decided that they won't be starting their own chain and they won't be moving the waste collection off chain. So that's one thing to point out. Also, they picked Polygon network 18 months ago for a reason. So over here, it also states the reason. They also said the reason. So the reason why they chose Polygon and why are we gonna remain with the Polygon is because it reduces gas fees by more than 90%. The gas fees in the Polygon is more pricey compared to when you're using the Ethereum network. So yes. Also, they want to keep their assets on the chain. So they want to keep all of the NFTs, all of the assets in Planet IX with the Polygon network that we've been using. And also, they are going to introduce something new in the future, like claim all in mission control. Claim all in mission control, I believe that basically means that you can just claim all of your waste with just one button, one press. You don't have to press multiple times on your pick so you can collect your waste and your buy modes and whatever. There's gonna be an option to claim all, but that will be more in the future. Also, they want to build a lasting Web3 market, and what that means is that they want to build a lasting Web3 market. I'm not sure what this means yet, but you guys can read this at your own time. There's more to it than what I just said, but I'm not gonna be explaining all of it because I don't wanna put too much time in the video. I wanna keep it brief. And also they also told us to focus on the good times ahead and to look out for more updates in the future. So whatever it is that you have now or whatever it is that you're doing in the game, keep on doing it and always be updated and also take time to read the white paper so that you know more about the game and pay attention to the updates. And also, that is all. So if you want to read all of this at your own time, I will put this on the link down for you so you can read it at your own time. But I'm going to end the video right here. And that is it. Okay. you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. The other videos as well. Subscribe to our channel, hit notification bell, and see you next time. All right, bye-bye.